Naomi Watts and her sons treated their new Hurricane Harvey rescue puppies to a visit to a dog park Sunday in New York City. The 48-year-old actress wore a faded denim jacket over a white t-shirt along with blue jeans, while out with 10-year-old Alexander and 8-year-old Samuel. The Mulholland Drive star completed her casual outfit with white sneakers. She added some fashion flair with a blue scarf wrapped around her neck and a black fedora. The boys also kept it casual in t-shirts and striped shorts. Liev Schreiber, 49, met the pooches displaced by Hurricane Harvey on Wednesday while appearing on Live with Kelly and Ryan. The puppies along with other dogs were sent to New York to make room in a Texas shelter for canines displaced by Hurricane Harvey. The morning talk show shared a YouTube video of Liev video chatting backstage with Naomi and the boys as he met the animals. Liev backstage held up a cute pup named Woody, while Kelly cradled a pooch later named Willow before the actor took them both home. The Spotlight star in the video also referenced the family's other dogs Ziggy and Bob and later shared an Instagram snap of himself with the family's new pets. Liev and Naomi in September 2016 announced their separation after 11 years together. Naomi can be seen next year on the big screen in the romance drama Ophelia that offers a telling of Hamlet from the perspective of the young noblewoman. Liev currently stars in Ray Donovan that premiered its 5th season on August 6 on Showtime.